Welcome to Dissenting Views. Latin America and China, allies or adversaries? What happens when Latin America's resources meet China's ambitions? In an era of shifting alliances, China's growing influence in Latin America is challenging global balances of power. Together, they're trading billions. But is it a win-win or a one-sided deal? Let's dive into this fascinating transformation. China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, has ventured across the globe and into Latin America. Over 20 nations have joined hands, seeking progress through projects like railways and energy plants. Latin America supplies copper and lithium, while China builds infrastructure. But is this partnership a lifeline or a growing chain? China needs resources. Latin America has plenty. With rising trade, both sides profit economically. For Latin America, this means roads, power plants, and jobs. For China, it secures vital materials and markets. Yet, how fair is the exchange? Skepticism lingers over equity and dependency. Imagine new railways connecting communities, modern power grids lighting up cities, and ports shipping global goods. Chinese investments have made these visions real across Latin America, creating opportunities. But behind the glittering projects, questions of debt burdens and purpose arise. Who benefits most? Traditionally, Latin America has been America's backyard. Not anymore. China's economic soft power challenges the U.S., building new ties that disrupt traditional influence. Politically and diplomatically, it's a game changer. Could this spark a new Cold War-style rivalry or change alliances forever? Cultural exchanges are strengthening ties. Chinese language centers, academic partnerships, and loans with strings attached bring Latin America closer to Beijing. Yet, this closeness causes unease, especially for the U.S., which sees its influence diluted by China's deep-pocketed diplomacy and resource-heavy investments. Debt. It's a word Latin American leaders dread, and China's financing might worsen it. Critics warn of debt traps, where countries remain beholden. Environmental concerns over large projects and political reliance further cloud the benefits. Development comes at a price. Can Latin America afford it? Latin America's natural beauty and ecological wealth attract global attention. Yet, mining projects, deforestation, and large-scale infrastructure jeopardize these treasures. Indigenous communities often pay the highest price, losing land and heritage. Will these projects fuel Latin America's future or strip its natural wealth? Caught between two superpowers, Latin America navigates complex diplomacy. Nations struggle to maintain a balanced global role amid Beijing's growing footprint and Washington's waning clout. Latin America's aspirations of independence risk being overshadowed by influence from both sides. What's the region's path forward? Leaders face hard decisions. Embrace China's financial muscles, stick with U.S. partnerships, or innovate independent alliances. Added cultural and political ties from both sides complicate neutrality. The question remains, can Latin America rise on its terms? With resources, ambition, and smart diplomacy, Latin America can redefine its global place. The China partnership brings opportunity, but caution is vital. Call on governments to prioritize fair trade, sovereignty, and environmental care. Join us in advocating for a truly balanced, independent future for the region. Voice your views today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like it, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you.